Good afternoon, sir. So I will be solving the problem that you've given me. To create a 7 subnet of the 192.166.32.5 with 27 notations. So I've created already the table. So first I will convert the IP into binary. So to get the 192, I will add 128 plus 64, 192. So 11000000. This is the 192. Then for 166, 128 plus 32 plus 4 plus 2. So asyan mga numbers lang ginamit. So 128 32 42 siya ba? 128 plus 32 plus 4 plus 2, 166. So 0 0 0 0. Then for 32 lang nagamit. So 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Then for 5, adila ang ginamit. Dar star 0. So kay 27 man ang notation, 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 8 plus 8 plus 8, 24. So 25 na 6 na 7. So tab-tab didian 27 ang notation. 27. So adira 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equals to 31. So an last usable IP is equals to 31. So kay ang ginhatag na problem is to create 7 subnets. Magbabaro kita didehi ade 3 kay sadang naan 8. So unborrowed bits is equals to 3. Para naman makuha ng interval, since ginamit naman natin adi nga, so adi is siya ba? Okay, ang 27. Pero kaya din nagbaro makitahin 3. So 27 plus 3 is equals to 30. So ang magiging bago ng notation is 30. So yung notation is 30. So adi so 1 79 30 adi 0 0. So tubtob na nga di nagamit. So on subnet may himo is 8 2 4 5 6 7 8. So kaya ang last usable IP is 31. Pwede abroad ang last na broadcast is ang magiging IP is 192.166.32.31. Network address ng mga una is 192.166.32.0. Ay, ang interval pa pala. Kuha lang natin ng subnet ng decimal. So kaya nagamit mo nila tanan. So 255 delivery 255 255. Hindi naman pag laras ang nagamit 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 ay 128 plus 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4, so 252. So today is 252. So para makuha ng interval, ma-minus na. So kaya ang tanan-tanan nga magagamit niya is 256 man. So 256 minus 252 is equals to 4. So its interval is 4. So ang magiging network address nga ikaduha is 0 plus 4. So 4 192.166.32 4 plus 4 8 ani katuloy na ay 192.66.32.8 plus 4 12 na 192.166.32.12 plus 4 is 16 192.166.32.16 plus 4 20 166.32.20 192.166.32.24. Ang last naman is 192.166.32.28. So nga din naman, so gimpla plus lang natin interval dide. So, nga 4. So 0 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 hanggang tangpos ang subnet. Nga din naman is sigma minus natin. So 31 minus 4 is equals to 27. So 192.166.32.27 minus 4 192.166.32.23 minus 4 192.166.32.19 minus 4 15 192.166.32.15 minus 4 11 192.166.32.11 minus 4 192.166.32.7 minus 4 3. So 192.166.32.3 siya ang broadcast ID. So ma-minus lang natin ang interval from bottom to up. So para naman makuha ang first usable host, ma-plus 1 lang kita hantikang 192.166.32.1. Tapos i-propose na natin ang interval. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5. Hindi ko nakita. So 5. 192.166.32.5 plus 4 9. 192.166.32.9 plus 4 13. 192.166.32.13 plus 4 192.166.32.17 plus 4 192.166.32.21 plus 4 192.166.32.25 plus 4 192.166.32.29. So ang last usable host naman para makuha is ma-minus 1 lang kita didihan tikahan broadcast ID. So 192.166.32. So 2 na kay 3 minus 1. And then nagplapas nga hawda naman natin an interval. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. So 192.166.32.9 32.6 plus 4 192.166.32.10 plus 4 is 14, so 192.166.32.14 plus 4 ay 192.166.32.18 192.166.32 plus 4 22 192.166.32 plus 4 26, so 26. Ang last naman is 192.166.32 plus 4 30. Ada ay new CID, so ano dide, so 30 na at diba natin new CIDR notation, so 30. And number of usable IP address naman is 31. So kaysa ka man ng 0, so magiging 32. Okay, nakuha naman natin ang tanan-tanan. Pwede na natin ma-answeran ang question. So ang question is, number 1 question. Ay, wait lang. Number 1 question. How many bits were borrowed? So the borrowed bits would be 3 from here. Number 2. What is the new CIDR notation? So the new CIDR notation is 30. Number 3. What would be the 7th usable network address? So 7th usable network address. So ade and 192.166.32.24 ang IP. Number 5. What is the total usable IP range? So ang total usable IP range is 32. Number 6. What is the interval? So ang interval nga ito nakuha is 4. Number 7. What would be the decimal conversion of the new CIDR notation? So ang new nga decimal conversion from tikang new CIDR notation is 255.255.255.252. Number 8. What would be the 9th usable IP for the host? So ang 9th usable IP for the host would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 siya ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So ang 9th usable IP for the host would be 192.166.32.17. Number 9 naman, an 11th usable IP na for the hosts, which would be kung adi 9, 10, 11, ade 21. 192.166.32.21. And then for number 10, what would be the second to the last broadcast ID? So from the table, kita natin nga second to the last na broadcast ID would be 192.166.32.27. And that would be all, sir. Thank you.